video. Kevin, hey, this is Mike. Mike, tell Kevin about the engine, that 6-cylinder.
Hey, Kevin, this is Mike Crowley. I'm down here with Don. I've got your engine out of that 6-cylinder pickup. It's in pretty bad shape, all in all. It doesn't look like it's had the oil change in it in 50 years.
Wow.
I'm going to show Don and he can send you some pictures of the inside of the valve covers and so forth and so on. And the camshaft is worn so bad that the bottom of the lifters are mushroomed. I'm going to have to cut the cam in 4 or 5 pieces to get it out, to drop the lifters out of the bottom of the block.
Yeah.
So it's all pretty bad. And the rod bearings are wore all the way through the babbitt into the brass, the copper part of the bearing. So I'm gonna leave Don with some to take a look at.
Think the crank is good, or?
Well, I don't know about the crank. I'm gonna take it over to the machine shop and we're gonna magnaflux it and make sure there's no cracks in it and see if we can get it to 1010 or
Wow.
to do that.
Wow.
But, it's apparently been on the farm for a long time.
Jeez.
Or at the bottom of a pond, one way or the other. But
So it's needing.
yeah, it's pretty bad. Nobody's serviced that engine in an awfully long time.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, Kevin, also think about maybe going to a small block Chevy.
Yeah.
It might be the better. There's tons of those engines out there, and
Well, yeah. If you need to, you might can buy a Target engine. Already new, complete, and so
Oh, a crate engine or something. Yeah. Yeah.
put that in there.
Yeah. Depends on the cost. How much. And Kevin will see this.
Yeah.
He'll see this video, and you can see. So you want to show me those parts?
Yeah.
So yeah, cool. I figure, Kevin, this is the best way to do it. That way you've got a very live, sort of interactive video. You can see firsthand what's going on. It's kind of.
This is inside the pan, but this is inside the valve cover.
Wow. Can you hold that up to the sun?
Yeah.
Just hold it up. Go right here, Mike. Hold it this way. So the sunlight is right in it.
Yeah.
There we go. Wow.
So that's what I'm talking about, the rod bearings. They're down past the babbitt end of the copper.
Oh, wow. Wow. That's like that old ashy oil, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Wow.
Non-detergent type stuff.
Yeah.
The inside of this, look.
The timing gear or timing?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's all pretty nasty stuff. And the access panels to where the lifters are,
Yeah.
they're pretty nasty shape.
And it's an oil pan, look.
Well, the oil pan don't look a whole lot better.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
But when you look at the outside of it too, so you can tell that.
I didn't clean it up at all.
Yeah.
I didn't clean it up one bit. So, we can clean it up. We can get it blasted, and then Kevin can figure out what he wants to do.
Here in a couple of days, I'll have the info back about the crankshaft. We're going to have to put camshaft in it for sure.
Yeah.
Without a doubt. And overbore it and probably do some crank repair.
But let us know if you think the costs would exceed, a small block.
Well,
the 350, because there's tons of those. But Kevin may also want to keep that the stock engine. I don't even think that's the original engine, because I don't think they put a 256 in a 66. I think it was a 238 or
232 or something.
Yeah, I don't think they had a 250.
Yeah.
I think that's out of a later car, but I don't know. Maybe the block itself will have the numbers on it, the date.
Yeah, well, when we get it cleaned off, the block's just as nasty as anything else.
Is it? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Cool. So there's all your parts, Kevin. So we'll get it blasted up and something for you to chew on and ponder for the next, little bit for an engine determination.
Before we go off and do anything to this, I'll get a real close ballpark price, because we don't want to get in the middle of this and stop and go some other direction.
That'll work. Yeah. Well, I'll clean all that stuff up anyways. You know,
Yeah.
just in case. You know, that won't take very long to do. So.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
The main bearings don't look that bad on the block, but the rod bearings look real bad.
Lack of maintenance will do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, anyways, Kevin, this Mike, we're over 5 minutes, so I just want to, I'll just post this and I'll send you the link. So, thanks, Mike.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, cool.